Here, kitty, kitty. Come here. Okay, kitty. Shit. What's wrong with you? Where'd you go? Hey, kitty. Can I pet you? High five, bro. What the fuck's your problem, dude? Holy shit. Why'd you can't be like this fat kitty over here? God damn. Oh, now you're in the little house. Hey, kitty. Come. I got a feeling you're pissed. So if you don't mind. Where you going? God damn it. Holy shit. Hey. Dude, I swear to fuck. If you don't come over here, I'm gonna kick you in your fucking nuts. Where'd you... I don't know what's wrong with the cat. I think it's on his fucking period. I don't know. This cat's perfectly fine. Like, see, you could touch this cat behind right here, and this cat starts going crazy. See, it goes. Kitty.